Okay, welcome to Golstream on southern Vancouver Island. Yes, it's winter. It is officially winter. I don't feel very cold here. Some southern magnolias. There's some huge camera ops in this town too. And I've done videos of this place before. We come over here to get our dog groomed, but so we stop here, we're gonna have a coffee. There's lots of trackies here. There's, like I say, cordy lines. And you can see the cordy lines over there. The streets are lined with palm trees. So this is on southern Vancouver Island, British Columbia, Canada. See the cordy line trees there? And I think the mayor was responsible for this because he likes palm trees. And all the California lilac has, these are all California lilacs. They have Christmas lights in them. Old school lights too. Oh no, they're LED. Those are LED. So they don't give off the heat. But for you palm lovers, like I say, we're doing Vancouver Island. Oh, the palms all have LED lights on them too. Beautiful. And the center meridian is just so full of big, bushy palms. Wait till you see the camera ops down there. There's huge camera ops. Anyway, I'll stop this video here and then I'll do another kind of part 2 of this one. All right? Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Cheers.